We have not gotten a signal here. We're just now getting the signal. So we are going to be going long here. It is a little dangerous. I mean, we could pull back a good amount here. I like the fact that price has fallen before we get into the trade. Okay, there's our trade. We hit our first target. Hmm. See if we can't go up and break it just a little bit more. All right, I took a shot. We made another $190 there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade as well. That puts us in a profit, $450 profit on the Tradify account, and $290 profit on $275 profit on the Apex account. That's a good deal. I mean, it's not a lot, but there. Okay, there's our push back up. Perfect timing for us because now we're about to cross the 9 and the 21 above this pivot point, and that right there should give us a bullish shift and get us into a trade down here to run back up uh, to the high of this candle, right? We're almost halfway through the candle, so I would expect this candle to close pretty close to the high of it. With the news that we have, we are at the midline of that fair value gap again, and we do have the bullish or the bearish 5-minute fair value gap to deal with. But I think we should handle that um, fairly easily. Okay, so the midline of that fair value gap is right at the previous week's high. And we did get our bullish shift here. And it does look like we're staying above that pivot point now. We're back above it, and we held it. We didn't close below it on these two candles that pulled back. So I'm okay with that. I do want to see it close above the midline of that both bearish fair value gap. All right, we're in the trade. Okay. Um, so I'd like to get our quick 10 points here. We do have, looks like we might make a 30-second fair value gap there. Would be nice. All right, our trailing stop is triggered at 4 ticks. We have 20 seconds left in the candle, so I would like to see it push up towards the top of that candle and close strong. Oh. We're so close. I think we got to 7 ticks. It means we need to get to 10 before getting stopped out. We do have the 30-second fair value gap, and our stop loss is pretty close to the bottom of it. Problem is our 9 is down here. So that's kind of a little far down from our stop loss. Okay, there's our stop loss. We're going to go break even. Oh, we're not going to go break even. Why not? I have got to look at this again, because this should have gone to break even and uh, kept us down there. So, and I can't move it. So break even, I can't move it to break even. I'm gonna have to look at my settings because that should be moved to break even. The 9's now above our stop, so that gives us a little bit of help. But our stop is, yeah,